This time I performed on two of my songs, Akhiyan Gulab, which I've actually never done live, so it was great fun, and then Lal Pili Akhiyan. Then Kriti joined for Lal Pili Akhiyan, and then I did Mukabla with Prabhu sir. Then I did, which was that, Nahi Ho, with Bobby sir. Because I loved seeing him in that song. I still remember him and Preeti ma'am wearing the caps and going, so got to do that with him. And then there was Nach Punjaban with Anil sir. So it was like a nice full act.
Marriages are broken because one of them doesn't like Shah Rukh Khan or they say something. तो लोग लड़ते हैं उनके लिए एक दूसरे से. I think that is probably the highest form of stardom.
उनकी एक ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी है जो आप उनसे इम्बाइब करना चाहोगे और आपको बहुत पसंद है?
वो he's a love magnet. I want to get some of that love magnet from him.
जब से मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन की है, जब आप जब कोई रोल करते हैं तो उस हिसाब से आपको ज़्यादातर उसी हिसाब के रोल मिलते हैं. So it's been happening since before, not just now. It's always going to be like that. It's just that it took me a tough time to change my image, and finally I've changed my image and I've done characters which are very different.
First time was my first stage performance ever with Aifa, so I was very nervous. And this time also I was still nervous, but I think I had more fun this time. I was also dancing on some of my favorite songs of the year. I danced on Jhumka and Karan was sitting in the audience, so I think I just fed off the energy of the audience.
I just have a lot of gratitude here, that's it. I mean, towards the audience, the kind of love and the kind of appreciation we all as a team have been receiving, it's like a dream. It also makes us believe in magic more, because I think no matter how much you manifest, sometimes these things you can't predict. आप अपने दिमाग में सोचते भी नहीं हो कि ऐसा आएगा कि आप इतने बड़े-बड़े फिल्मों के साथ compete कर रहेंगे और उनको beat करेंगे. So I think we are very happy, and that also proves that audience is hungry to go to theaters. वो जो बातें होती थी कि थिएटर में नहीं जाना चाहते हैं और लोग बोर हो गए हैं और OTT का टाइम आ गया है, ये गलत बात है. पब्लिक को थिएटर में देखना है, क्योंकि कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग जो है वो कभी चेंज नहीं हो सकती. जब आप साथ में बैठ के फिल्म देखते हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अनजानों के साथ भी, तो मतलब वो जो मज़ा है ना, वो अकेले घर में देखने में नहीं आता.
There is one person that you're looking forward to meeting today. Who would it be?
Shah Rukh sir. Can you turn the camera to yourself and say why?
What is your reason and what?
Come on, it's Shah Rukh Khan. I already did. I went on stage. I was supposed to give an award, and I said, I put the envelope on the side, and I looked at Shah Rukh sir, and I said, sir, can I just come and give you a hug? And he's like, yeah, okay, sure. Let's not give awards. I'm like, let's not give awards. And I went and gave him a hug. So that was that. I love him. I mean,
what is the best quality about Shah Rukh Khan that you want to imbibe from him and to absolutely?
listen, I want to be Anjali, and I want to be all the Kirans and everybody. In that one moment, I want to feel all the heroines that he's ever romanced, because I don't think there's anybody who romances a girl better than he does.